So here we have a mature beech tree and it's dropped a rather large limb, and my task is to clear it all up. And I thought this would be a really good opportunity to show, try, demonstrate the capabilities of the Stihl GTA26 and the GTA40 pruners. Now the 26 is a domestic and the 40 is actually a professional unit. Now I'm interested in this test as well. I've used both machines quite a lot. How far I can actually get with this particular limb cut up into manageable sizes, I honestly don't know. I got a rough idea, but I'm not totally confident I can do it all, but we will see. Both machines run on the AS2 batteries. The 26 takes one battery and the GTA40 takes two batteries. So first of all, the smaller pruner I'm using just to clear the brush, and then you'll see me do some of the bigger cuts, and I'll use it as far as it will go size wise with the wood. Now I've no intention of pushing these machines to the limit. However, I went with the intention we will see exactly how far I can go with them though. Both machines, I didn't put a lot of pressure on them, a very gentle pressure, and just really let the chain do the cutting. As I said earlier, this is beech, and beech is a hardwood. So I think this is a really good test on these machines. And at this point, it's pretty much I've stopped now with the GTA26. And put my thumb there. So we're looking at around 3.5 inches, I guess. And it's pretty much cleared up all the top and sides of that limb. And there you can see a stack of logs that we've produced. And in total, I used 3 batteries. So now we're going to use the GTA 40 and see how far we can get with that. The GTA 40 has a 6-inch guide bar, so we're looking at about 9 inches of green beech there, and being a 4-inch chain, it's a really clean cut as well. I was surprised I got as far as I did. I expected good from it, but that really did surprise me. And battery wise, we still have one light, and that's on the original batteries I started with. So we cut all that up, and if anyone's interested, that's where the branch failed. Quite a lot of rot in there. I think that's why they call beech trees widowmakers. They just drop without any warning. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.